Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I'm fine. Yes, students, tell me. Till how many problems we finished yesterday? 15, right? 15 or 16? 16 is over. 16 is over. Okay, so we have to start from 17 onwards. Correct? Okay, pa. First 2 minutes. Still, many are yet to join. Listen to me. Many are yet to join. So, first 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I will give you. Go for a quick revision of all the problems, whatever we have done it till now. Okay, and in that, if you think that you need an explanation for any of the problems, once again, you please let me know. Now start a quick revision. Go for a quick revision, Patil. Whatever we have done it yesterday and day before yesterday, go for a revision, and in that, if you think you need an explanation for any of the problems, once again, you please let me know. Once you finish revising, and if there is no doubt, you please mention clear. ಏನಿವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಯ್ನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಯೆಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಆಮ್ ಐ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರಾ? ಯಾ ಸುಮುಖ್? Come on, everyone, finish the revision and type quickly. Clear. Sir, can you teach the 11th one, please? Bharat, you were present yesterday. Bharat, you were present yesterday. Yes. Okay. So still you have a problem in the 11th one. Nenne yaake kelilla Bharat? No, don't worry. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Yesterday why you didn't ask? What you tried, sir? Yourself. No. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ explanation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Because yesterday few problems I left to the students only. Okay, ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 11th one ಅಲ್ವಾ? For that, Bharat, you have to unmute. I will give you the option. Unmute and you need to converse with me. Bharat, unmute. Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the formula of cos C minus cos D.
Sir, minus 2 sin.
Exactly, minus 2 sin.
C plus D by 2.
Hello, C plus D by 2. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Sin 9 minus 9x minus 5x by 2.
Okay, denominator ಹೇಳ. cos C sin C minus sin D.
2 cos.
Yes, 2 cos
17x plus 3x by 2.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. 17 ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Sin.
Sorry, 17 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ. 17x plus
3x.
ಆಮೇಲೆ sin.
Sin 17x minus 3x by 2.
ಓಕೆ ಬಾ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 to ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡು, ಮೈನಸ್ sin. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು?
9 plus 5 7x.
7x. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Sin 2x.
ಓಕೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
cos 10x.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Sin 7x.
ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು?
Sir, I did not cancel that minus 2 and 2, so I got 2. Sorry, sir.
ಡೌಟ್ ಬರೋ, ಸಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ದೆನ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಿಸಿ, ಆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ, ದೋಸ್ ವರ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.
That and all I done, sir, but this one, that 2 and 2 are there, sir. I did got confusion, did not cancel.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, dears, continue ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. All of you please type continue ಅಂತ. So from 17 I should start ಅಲ್ವಾ? Continue. Okay pa, 17. No, you also write down. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ಫೈನ್, ದೆನ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಈಗ ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ cot x cot 2x ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, between the second and the third term cot 3x will be taken common. So cot 3x common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ the remaining is cot 2x plus cot x. I have taken minus cot 2x outside. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಈ cot 3x ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ cot 3x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ cot 3x. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ cot 3x is nothing but 1 by tan 3x ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ tan 3x ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Got the meaning? Okay. So, or do we have a formula of tan 3x directly? Yaar heltira tan 3x without looking at the book? ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಯಾರು ನೇಹ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಐಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೇಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ನೇಹ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ, tan 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳು.
3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus tan 3 tan square A.
Very good. Okay, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Listen everyone. Even though I know the formula of tan 3x, I will not use it because I won't get the required answer. There is something which I will do with tan 3x. Okay, tan 3x na tan of 2x plus x anta barkoli. I repeat, write down as tan of 2x plus x. Got it? So what is the expansion of this then? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A multiplied by tan B. Artha aita? Right. This in terms of tan alli ide. Just look at the students here. There are two terms which are in terms of cot alva. I want the explanation of this in terms of cot only. So what I will do, I will take the reciprocal of each. So the first one can be written as 1 by cot 2x plus 1 by cot x divided by 1 by 1 minus cot 2x multiplied by 1 by cot x. Right. I have converted each term in terms of cot because tan can be written as 1 by cot. Let me take the LCM here as well as here. Right. So this will be cot 2x plus cot x. Numerator node, numerator will be cot x plus cot 2x. Denominator will LCM tagole, cot 2x multiplied by cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x multiplied by cot x. Right. This get cancels. LCM cancel agutte. So what is the remaining thing? Cot x plus cot 2x divided by cot 2x cot x minus 1. This is for what? This is for tan 3x. But what is that I said? I want cot 3x. So whatever I got here, I will take the reciprocal of this. Right. Therefore, cot 3x is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x plus cot x. Now, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, in case if I include this inside the problem only, okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what I did was, I took tan 3x, split it as tan 2x plus x, use the formula of tan of a plus b. I'm going to get this, convert each term in terms of cot, right? Take LCM, cancel the denominator, right? Whatever I get here, this is nothing but tan 3x value. Okay, Akshara, you can unmute and wait. Okay, this is tan 3x value. Got it? Right. And this is tan 3x, but I want cot 3x. Cot 3x is nothing but reciprocal of tan 3x, right? So take the reciprocal of this. This is what I'm going to get. Idna final agi ill substitute madi, simplify madi, answer sigutte. Okay, so let me just call it as equation 1. Yes, Akshara, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, why can't we take in cot directly, sir?
You tell me
Like,
what's the formula.
Huh?
You tell me what's the formula.
Sir, cot A, cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A.
See what happens, Akshara. This formula we use it very rarely.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Even though
Yes,
I've given that in EPL, I don't want my students to remember that as a formula.
Okay, sir.
Right. Because occasionally we use it. So let me not depend on tan 2x or tan 3x formula.
Okay, sir.
So instead of that, my trick is I remember everything in terms of tan and I will convert that to cot. That procedure is far better than remembering a formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, today if I tell you, okay, remember that as a formula, but let me tell you 99.999% I will never use it.
Okay, sir.
And suddenly if you forget it, what will you do?
Yeah, sir.
Correct, right? So we should
Yes.
have basics always.
Okay, sir.
So that's the reason why I didn't explain in terms of thought.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. ಭರತ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್ You have to finish this. Okay. So once you got cot 3x, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ cot 3x ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ನೇಹಾ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರೋಸನ್. ಏನ್ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ?
Yes, sir.
ನೇಹಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್?
Sir, ನಿಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Is it true for everybody? Is my video lagging for everyone? Some of you telling yes, some of you telling no, sometimes not at all. No, most of them are telling yes or no. ಎರಡು mixed reactions ಇದೆ. Frozen ಅಂತರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಹಾ?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Huh.
I never heard of this. That's what ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Like still no, sir. So it's like frozen. It is still. So it is frozen like that.
Oh, fine. ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ನೇಹಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 minutes ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Hope it's fine now, students. It's fine now. Now is it okay, Neha? Okay. Right. Okay. Hope you have finished this one. If not, I will only complete. Illodi iga. Cot x, cot 2x minus cot 3x value is this. Cot 2x, cot x minus 1 by cot 2x plus cot x. So multiplied by cot 2x plus cot x. Okay na? Either cancel madi. This will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? Cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot x plus 1. Idu cancel madi. Finally, your answer is going to be 1. So if everyone has finished this, please type the next number. If you have finished, please type the next number. See, that's what Akshara said. Sir, why can't we do it by using cot of a plus b? I forgot to ask actually. Akshara, ನಾನು cot of a plus b ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ? Okay, Akshara, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Akshara, have I discussed cot of a plus b or have I derived cot of a plus b anywhere?
No, sir. Actually, yesterday I was trying to solve, sir. So I just cross-checked the formulas in the EPL. I got it, sir. I had done this problem.
Oh, fine. You got it. Okay. So EPL al nodidira cot of a plus b.
Yeah, sir. I just cross-checked in the EPL, so I got it, sir.
No problem. No problem. No, because I never discussed cot of a plus b. Okay. So that's why I don't wanted to tell you. Okay. See, if I explain this, okay, there is a formula of cot of a plus b. Remember this and I will solve it. Things might go a bit difficult actually. Suddenly one formula barta idiyalla. That's what my students will feel. So I don't want any of my students to feel uncomfortable. So what I did was I took it tan 3x, I derived the formula, whatever tan 3x is there, take the reciprocal of that is nothing but cot 3x. That is what the procedure I followed here. Now, if you want to remember that as a formula, no problem. Things easy. Okay. Okay, pa. Let's go to 18th one. 18th one. Tan 4x. Okay, na? Now explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Nobody will write anything, so listen to me. The last few problems are a bit lengthy. 17th onwards ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy ಇದೆ procedures alla. So ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So 18th problem. LHS is equal to tan 4x. Let me write it as tan of 2 into 2x. Right. We have a formula of tan 2x. What's the formula of tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x alva. This is tan 2x. But here, what is the value of x stands for? This is x value actually. Right. So in the formula of tan 2x, wherever x is there, I have to replace by 2x. Correct, right? So hagadre, this will be. Now, how many of you are unable to understand this explanation? If this is clear, please mention it's clear. Because beginning artha aglilla andre amele na ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Is this step clear to everybody? Okay. So I'm taking the formula of tan 2x. Tan 4x is written as 2 into 2x. Okay. So in the formula of tan 2x, wherever x is there, replace by 2x. Okay. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಮೆಸೇಜ್, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ. Who didn't able to understand? Okay, so that's clear agadre. So let me continue. Okay na? Right. Now just look at the thing, students, once again. Nodi. Your RHS alli ella terms tan alle ide. Tan 3x illa, tan 2x illa. Look at the RHS carefully. In RHS, every term is in terms of tan. Some power is adike, but is it in terms of tan only. So look at what I'm going to do now. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ? tan 2x ಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, so tan 2x ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ tan 2x the whole square ಇದೆ, right? So write the formula of tan 2x and square it. Right? So my intention is simplify everything purely in terms of tan. That's it. Tan 2x ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, tan 3x ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Got it? Yes, Abhigna. Who said it's not one term? One nimsha. It's better if I give you the option. Yes, Abhigna, you can talk now.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Helma.
Sir, sir, tan 2x now we have taken it as x initially, so that's why we wrote it as 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. So tan 2x is one term that we are coming.
I said listen. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay. So 4x ಅನ್ನ 2 into 2x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Right. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. This is tan 2y ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ tan 2y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 tan y divided by 1 minus tan square y ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
What is y value?
2x.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು?
Okay.
Is it okay?
2x. Yes, sir.
Now what should be done?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Now you replace the formula of tan 2x for the numerator and denominator. Is that clear now?
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ clear ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. I hope this is fine to everybody now. So I will continue. Students, now just look here. For numerator and denominator, I should start simplifying it further. So, numerator observe madi, this will become 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, numeratorly. Denominatorly, 1 minus 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. What I did was, I am separating square for numerator and for denominator. So numerator will become 4 tan square x, denominator will become 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. I separated the powers for numerator and denominator. Now take LCM only for this part, only for this. Got it? So this will be 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x, the whole square, minus 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. Students, carefully observe madi. This and 1 power of this can be cancelled. Okay, and afterwards this term goes to numerator. Correct, right? So numerator will be 4 tan x multiplied by 1 minus tan square x. This goes to numerator. Correct? Okay. Now what is left in denominator? This is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square expansion. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And this term minus 4 tan square x. Got it? Now numerator, let me retain as it is. 4 tan x multiplied by 1 minus tan square x. And in denominator, minus 2 tan square x, minus 4 tan square x, minus 6 tan square x. And this will become tan to the power 4. So this will be 1 plus tan to the power 4x minus 6 tan square x. Just check, this is what's the required RHS actually. Just check mine. Okay. So 1 second, listen everyone. Before writing, okay, take a look at what I did exactly. Okay, try to understand. If you are ready, if you think that yes, it's clear to me, then only we'll start writing. Okay. If you think that it's clear, if you think, yes, I have understood this, please make a note of this. And if there are any steps where you think you need an explanation once again, you please tell me. Yeah, if you're done with this, please type the next number. ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದ್ರೆ. You can do it, ಪಾಟೀಲ್. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Yeah, those who have done it, those who have finished this one, please type the next number. No, ellaru type madilla. That's why I'm waiting. Okay, na? Right. So 19. Will someone give me a hint for cos 4x? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Who will give me the hint for cos 4x? Oh, Abhigna, you want to just do like that? Aito. Yes, Abhigna, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Hilma.
So can you write it like cos 3x plus x?
ಬರಿಯೋಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ.
So if you go by the formula cos a plus b,
ಹೇಳಿ.
it's cos a cos b minus sin a
Here,
sin b.
you tell me here in this column.
Cos 3x, cos 3x cos x minus sin 3x sin x.
Okay, ma. What next?
You can't take common also.
Things will become more complicated. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Just wait. Okay. I will go with Rukia Mehmoodi. Okay. Okay, Rukia. I'm giving you the option. Unmute and talk.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma. Tell me.
So we can split it as cos 2 into 2x.
Very good. There are 4 formulas for cos 2x, right? Which formula will you use?
Cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a.
Very good. Exactly. Okay. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. But what is the value of a here?
2x.
Very good. What next?
Which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin 2x the whole square.
Correct. What is sin 2x formula? Tell me that now.
So 2 sin a cos a.
2 sin x cos x the whole square. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
So this will become 1 minus 2 into, you have to square each term. So this will be 4 sin square
Sin square x cos square x.
So this will be 1 minus a sin square x cos square x, which is nothing but the RHS. Very good. Okay. So if you have understood, please make a note. If not, you can ask. Of course, Abhigna. That's wrong actually, but ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. See, the thing is, now ಯಾವ formula select ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that will depend on the RHS. Got it? So RH ನ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು hint ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಜಲ್ ಹಿರೇಮಠ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಯು ನಾಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋ, ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ you're almost the first or the second person who will say, sir, me, sir, me, sir. You didn't type anything today. Huh? Sorry, sir. You can't try. Huh? You participated madlilla from the beginning in the. Okay, right. Let's go to the next. Can someone give me a hint for the next one? Cos 6x. Who wants to try? The next one, please. Yes, come on, students. There are so many. 125 members idira. Come on. Who will give me the hint for the next one? Okay, I've already done it now. ಸುಜಲ್ ಅವರು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಸುಜಲ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾ, ನಾವು ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ನೋ, ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ದೇ ಸೇ yes or me. It should not like, okay, you say no, I don't want that. Okay, Stalin was asking, so let me give the option to Stalin. It's okay, Sujal, no problem. Irli bit parvagilla. Is my video lagging?
So I think so video is lagging.
Sorry, don't mind. Enagide andre power, there is no proper power. Okay, and maybe internet disturb agide. Nenne male bandidiyalva, so my internet connection is bit disturbed. Okay, hope you people can manage. Hope you
We'll
people
wait for
can
1
manage.
minute, sir. We'll wait for a minute, sir, then so that let the screen be clear.
Okay, right. So let me continue. Yes, Stalin, tell me. Stalin, you can tell me.
Sir, cos 6x can be written as cos 3 into 2x.
Okay. After that,
Sir, then we'll do
so
cos
you
3x.
keep telling,
sir.
no, I should not keep asking. You should keep telling, I will write. Okay, yes.
Sir, 4 cos square x.
Huh?
I mean 4 cos square 2x
Okay.
minus
Huh?
3 cos x minus 3 cos 2x. Now we have to substitute for cos 2x value, sir.
Oh, it's wrong. What you said is wrong. What you said is wrong. Who will you correct it?
Wrong in the sense, sir, formula wrong.
So you said something wrong. Wrong in the sense means you should understand. You said something wrong. Yes. Tell me, Stalin, where you went wrong?
Sir, cos cube x. Sir.
Then you said
Then-
cos square. It's
Yeah.
not cos square.
Cos
It
cube.
should be cos cube. Okay, fine then. Okay, what next, Stalin?
Sir, we have to substitute it for cos 2x, sir.
Okay, which formula will you substitute? There are so many.
Cos 2 cos square minus 1.
2 cos square.
Minus 1.
Okay, Amele. Why you're substituting like this, man? Why not the other formulas?
Sir, RHS part, everything is in the form of cos, sir. So
Okay.
I thought.
Okay, done. Okay, and look here. This is everyone has to just understand this step properly. Okay. This is a minus b the whole cube. We have a formula for a minus b the whole cube, right? Okay. So 4 into a cube. So 2 cos square x the whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x into 1 multiplied by 2 cos square x minus 1. Sorry, first you tell me you understood this. Okay. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Everyone please mention it's clear. If you have understood this, please mention it's clear.
Yes, sir.
I want everyone to do it. Got it? Okay. So, and I will write this step as it is. Minus 3. Okay. I will multiply it better. Minus 6 cos square x plus 3. I have multiplied minus 3 for these two. Okay. Now the rest is going and simplifying the term which is inside this bracket. So this will be 4 into 8 cos to the power 6x. 2 cube. That will be 8. Cos square x the whole cube. Cos to the power 6x. Okay. Minus 1 minus. This is 6 cos square x. 6 cos square x is multiplied to these two. So when on multiplying, minus 12 cos square x minus into minus will be plus 6 cos square x. The last two terms I will write as it is minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now the last step, remove the brackets. Remove the brackets means multiply 4 for all the terms which are present here. Right? First is add add. Okay. So let me multiply here. This will be 32 cos to the power 6x. Yeah. Okay. Minus 4 minus 48 cos square x plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now let me arrange it. Samruddha is telling 48 cos to the power 4x. 1 second. Yes, Samruddha. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I got it. Okay. Now the last step is just arrangement of this. Okay. So 32 cos to the power 6x. Arrangement right hand side nodi gottagutte. Adadmele minus 48.
48 cos power 4x.
48 cos to the power 4x. On adding these two, what will I get?
18 cos square.
18 cos square x. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3.
Minus 1. That's it, sir.
Yes. Sir, this you got it. Patil, you'll nodi. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ cos 2x ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ cos 2x ನ 2 cos square x minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ cos 2x ಇದೆ this cos 2x is also replaced by 2 cos square x minus 1 so replacement of cos 2x. Yeah, it's okay, Anjan. I think all of you finished, I guess. ಏನು ಮಾಡಕಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ because of heavy rain yesterday night. I think internet connection disturb ಆಗಿದೆ. But even then, you people are managing. Even I am managing. So let us continue. No, Rukia, don't use it. Don't use it. Cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a and cos 3a as cos 3a 1 minus 2 sin square idea. Okay. Do you have cos 3a as 1 minus 2 sin square? Then no, you have typed no cos 3a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. No, we don't have that formula. Because see, my required RHS, everything is in terms of cos. So I should make sure I will convert everything in terms of cos. So no sine terms is allowed. Don't worry, I'm sitting here only. Okay, I'm waiting for everyone to type done. Once you finish writing, please type done. All of you finished? Okay, now listen to me. Now listen. This exercise is finished. Especially, okay, what I did today, the last 4 problems from 17, 18, 19, 20. Can everyone take your time, go through, because it's a bit lengthier one and bit confusing for some of you actually. So I'm giving you a time, okay, please go through, try to understand. In case you think that you need an explanation for any of the problems, once again, you please tell. Okay, now start revising the last 4 problems. Oh, I've not tried that, Neha. It might be. Okay. Yeah, that may be. Because this is one of the method which I thought, okay, that's okay. If you're going with that and if you're getting the correct answer, it's okay. It might be actually tan 2x as 1 minus 2 cos square x minus 1. That is what you will use, correct now? And in that you will expand cos 3x formula. Correct? That's okay, no problem. No issues. If you feel it's easier and if the method is correct, definitely go for it. The only intention is make sure everything is in terms of cos. Don't involve sine terms. That's it. Now all of you go through the last 4 problems. Okay. If any steps where you feel it's you are unable to understand, you please tell. Yeah, if it's clear, you can type it's clear. See, the only thing is first time you went through these kinds of problems, right? Don't worry. The time when you sit for revision, okay, and you try on your own, definitely will understand better. Now, even then I thought, okay, it's better to give you time and make you understand. That depends on the RHS, Stalin. I am repeatedly telling you. Okay. See, especially if you look at this, final answer, everything is in terms of cos only. So it will give you a hint. Either you go for cos 2 into 3x or you go for cos 3 into 2x. So in that, even I know that there is formulas for cos 2x. There are 4 formulas. Which one to use? Again, that depends on the RHS. So if you have an eye on the RHS, you will get a hint in each step. Okay, it has to be done like this. And I already said just before this, I said one thing. Okay, as time goes on, as you practice more number of problems, you will get an idea. Okay, why it has to be done like this? You need to practice more. Yeah, if it's clear to everybody, please mention. No, it's clear. Oh, Sujal ಅವರು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ. You would have felt bad. No, what? There's nothing to do, man. See, I have done it for cos 3 into 2x. You go for cos 2 into 3x, right? So if you go for cos 2 into 3x, you will get it as 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Sorry, okay. And you have a formula for cos 3x. Substitute, use the formula of a minus b the whole square. Neha has already done it. Neha has followed this second method. ಮತ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸುಜಲ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಿ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, ಸುಜಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 125 ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಯು ಡಿಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಓ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಲೈಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. Instead of keep asking, no, you give a try and then tell me. See, Neha has already done it. She has already sent me the answer. Okay, mobile ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, so ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Now, if you are trying to extract everything from me, then what is your trial then? That's better. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Even though you have typed, I want everyone to just type clear once again. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Mehul Jain, Mehul, nowadays you won't discuss in any of the things, man. You have become very silent. Even Chandrakala also. Chandrakala, you also have become very silent. May you know the reason why some students have become silent all of a sudden? ಕೆಲವರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ. ಓಕೆ, even Chandrakala used to participate regularly, but nowadays you stopped it. Mehul and Chandrakala, I'm asking something, you have not replied. Oh, idukku reply madalva ನೀವು? See, I didn't ask you sorry, I'm asking what is the reason, because all of a sudden the students who used to participate in a discussion, they went silent suddenly. Okay, so I want to know the reason aste, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. Then why we have become suddenly silent, man? Chandrakala ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, wait, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್. ನೀವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್. Chandrakala, unmute. No, if
Yes.
my students are facing problems, first I should clear that. Yes, Chandrakala, tell me what's happening.
I used to mess up everything, sir. So,
No, repeat.
and sir, I used to mess up everything, sir. Andre
ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ?
one formula, e formula, na formula ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆ ತರ
ನಾನು
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್
ನಿಮಗೆ
ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
full confuse ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಹಾ?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಓ, ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಬಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್. Okay, students. Okay, so listen to me. There is one topic left in this trigonometry chapter. Okay, one topic ಇದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. I will do it on Monday. Okay, the reason is quite simple. Whatever I have done it in trigonometry, you have 2 days of time to revise, come back freshly on Monday. Okay, and make sure everything is ready. If there is any problem in between, If you think that, see, I'm giving you 2 days of time so that you can revise, sit and revise trigonometry from the beginning till the end, till whatever I did today. Okay, sit back, revise, come on Monday, and please, if you have any doubts regarding any of the explanations, mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. On Monday morning, first thing, you will ask me your doubts. Okay, so let me clarify your doubts, and then I will continue with the next topic, the last topic of trigonometry. Is this clear to everyone? Now, Stalin, ನೀವೇನೋ type ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು move ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. So if you can type it once again, it's better. Otherwise, you can unmute and talk. No need to type also. You can unmute and talk. Oh, sorry. I thought today is Friday. Even Thursday, na? Hey, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವನು ನನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವನು. ನನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಇವನು. ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇವನು. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಅವನು.
ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ದಿವಸ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 1 ದಿವಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Hey, Stalin, where are you, man? Are you in India only?
Yes, sir.
What day is today?
Today, Friday, sir.
Why you said Thursday?
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ.
ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಕಣ್ಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Thursday ತರಾನೇ. So I thought